Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram story from close friends to public. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, open up your Instagram app on your phone and click onto your profile, bottom right hand corner of your page. And then you want to click on the blue plus icon to add to your story. Alright, I'm just going to add a random photo to my story. This one looks good. Now I'm going to click on close friends, and as you can see here, only people on your close friends list will be able to see this story. But while you're here, you can change it. You can add more people to this, and then once you're done, click on done, click next, click on share, click done. So I'll go back to my profile, and as you can see, I've got my Instagram story, but it's only shared to my close friends. So what you want to do is click onto it. Click on the more icon, bottom right hand of your screen. And if you click on story settings, it'll bring up more options. And now if you click on close friends here, you can add more people to view your story. So if I want the good quote, that one and that account, they can see my story that is shared to my close friends. But that's the only way to share your story to the public. The only other way is to delete the story and then re-upload it. So if I go more and then delete, and then I'll re-upload the same image to my story. So I'll quickly do that now. Right, that eagle again. Now you want to do, instead of close friends, just click on your story. And now people from outside your profile can view your story. So yeah, that's the only way how to share your story from close friends to public. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.